gorgeous. Power.
Big male. There. Male crab right here. It's been in a fight. See how this claw on this side of my right hand has got a full claw like that? And this one's got none. Like only one. He's been in a fight with another male. And this guy, man, he was very hard for me to catch, but yeah, I can hold him like that now. I know how to actually properly hold them. He was very hard to catch. This is the one claw I'm actually trying not to get pinched by, because if I got pinched by one of these crabs...
What are you shaking for?
Ugh, she's gnarly, man, on a crab this big. But it was pretty awesome to find one of them. I was looking for one of these for ages, and I finally got him. Look at the size of him compared to my hands.
He's big.
I was recording, you recording. There's the nest up there.
I just found a seal bottom.
That was funny. Small one.
I want to see his face now. Hello. Hi.
Oh, big yawn.
Hi. Yeah, you stay there. Be safe.
He's growling.
Are you growling at us? Oh, we're going to go away. Are we scary? Are we scary?
Goodness, he looks like a sea otter.
Hello, darling. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Oh. Yeah, there's a cute baby seal there, and then there's another one we can see, but it looks dead.
Oh my goodness, these are huge.
Oh, are you up there with it? Molly hawk. Somewhere. They're like the size of chicken eggs. They're huge.
They're a bit bigger than chicken eggs.
They are massive.
Approach with caution, father.
Back on its her nest.
He's like, I know what you did. You looked
She's like, yeah, did you look at my eggs? Are they okay? Do I need to fly away again? You're still looking at me.
Count how many?
We didn't touch them.
They're fine, sweetie.
Look, don't touch. This is cute.
It is cute. That's the nest we just saw the 3 big eggs on.
Yeah.
It's so cute. So I've just looked it up, and while my husband is calling these mollyhawks, that's the juvenile of these. These are the southern black-backed gull. The juveniles of them are what's called mollyhawk. A mollymawk is a juvenile albatross, or a small albatross, I think. I just read. So whilst they're calling them mollyhawks, they are southern black-backed gulls, which are bigger than the average seagull. Thank you for letting us look at your eggs. I just got dive bombed by a seagull, so Emma's got brave, put a helmet on.
I don't want to get poop in my hair.
Oh, I've got to take a photo of that.
What's your bird doing? I knew that was gonna happen.
Why are we in Kaikoura?
For my birthday.
Weren't we here last year?
No.
In the same spot?
Yeah.
Doing the same thing?
Yeah. You didn't come to Seagull Island as you remember.
No, I didn't. So she's 14 still right now because she hasn't turned 15. You got the time on your dad?
20 minutes.
Is it only 2:30? Exactly. I think your watch might be wrong.
Celebrating it on
Celebrating it on
Island.
Seagull Island. She's about to turn 15, so Dad needs to watch his... Hey, she just turned 15. Emma just said, I'm halfway to 30.
I said that jokingly. Halfway to 30 and still wearing bucket hat. Ew.
What is
it's a
it?
fish.
Oh,
Nathan,
quick, put it back in the water.
It's a touching cup fish.
touching cup.
Suction cup fish.
Side.
It's the little fishy.
Oh my god, where are you getting these from?
Dining under his
Oh.
rocks. There's the second one.
He's trying to swim into the other.
Nathan's lifting up rocks and finding all these little suction cup fish.
They're everywhere.
He's stuck onto it so he can't move and so he's trapped as well.
There's a lot of them.
Just tell everybody what we do with them when you finish looking at them.
Put them back exactly where we found them.
Yeah. We just have a look and then put them back.
And be careful with them.
And be very careful with them. Yeah. Grandma did it. Oh, that lock's been engraved. That's cute. Got the
Turnips tapes
one. Jaden just said, is that another C heart S over here? What are the chances? I bet you're not Claire and Shane.
Charlie and Shannon, obviously.
Charlie and Shannon, obviously. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Cathedral Cliffs. No, me neither.
No.
I think we need to do more turning off the roads, guys, because this is our kind of places.
As long as there's more road in that direction, sure.
Yeah, just clear off the road wherever you are, guys.
I just want to turn off the road and go, you know, four-wheel driving.
Told me to take your photo with Shane.
This debate happens every time. Do we blow out first or do we sing first?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Irma. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! She's 15! And this is the cake she wanted, a carrot cake with extra walnuts on top.
That's a walnut cake with
We
carrots.
dumped a whole nother bag of walnuts on top.
It only had powdered walnuts, and I like the full walnut.